I'm Sunny. Today I'm very happy to introduce a 4K multi-window controller. It's our MS EX1000. EX1000 controller supports seamless switching between all channels. Let's go together to look at the device interface. Here are 3 HDMI and 2 DP input. It can be extended SDI and Wi-Fi input. It also supports 4K input 3840 plus 2160 at 16 Hz, and also supports audio and video output. The EX1000 standard has built-in 2 MSD600 sending card, has 8 GB Ethernet ports. It can compare with Novastar VX series, for example VX400 and VX600. If you're using Linsn or Huidu brand control system, you can also tell us to build in 2 pieces of TS902 sending cards before placing this order. Connect the Ethernet cable to access the web version output computer for flexible remote operation. It's simple and effective. Let's check how the web version output computer works. Input the IP address. Here's the input select and output resolution and fast setting, load preset, save preset. It's easy to operate. A single EX1000 can control up to 70 square meters of P3.91 LED rental screens, easily handle outdoor performance, concerts, commercial events, and wedding parties, and more. A more large area project can point-to-point display, making the display more high definition. The 4-color LCD screen supports logo customization for better company brand promotion. The EX1000 LED video controller can open to 4-layer windows. Do you like the LED video controller, simplify LED screen management, enjoy smoother signal switching, and experience smarter control? Please contact us. Thanks very much.